Yo, what's good? What's good? Let's go back this a little bit. All right, let's look at what's going on. We had this yesterday going on. Delete this. Delete that. Uh, 'Cause this what happened yesterday. Let me actually do something real quick. Screenshot this. Exit that. Got the 9:30 open in there. Got new day. 7:30, 7:05. Midnight open. 7:8925. 8:30 open. Opening range gap is, here's what we have. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How y'all doing this morning, man? Opening range gap consequent encroachment is there. Okay, we have 9:30 here. We got the 10 o'clock here. What's good, Fluxy, bro? What's good, my boy? Let me pull up some more charts so I can. This will be my 1 minute here. 7 o'clock. Where's 7 o'clock? Any trade? You took any trades yet, Fluxy, bro? Any trades taken? We got these smooth lows. Those are kind of smooth. These were kind of smooth as well here too. So we took out the buy side here from 7 o'clock. Okay. Let me look on the 15. One more chart for the higher time frame. It's not a breakaway gap anymore. We traded back into it here. Make this a little lighter. About right there is good. Right, yeah, the daily. Okay, that's good. Split this up into quadrants. Okay. So we are bullish. Price action is showing me bullish sign that it may want to continue higher, maybe rebalance this volume imbalance here. But keep in mind that we could reach for these highs, but it is Friday, so we already traded up into the range. So there could be a reversal. There could be some type of reversal. Like I said, we are bullish. The higher time frame is bullish, but we got this volume imbalance right here too. So 4 hour closing in 8 minutes. So we want to see if there's going to be some type of reversal, or if we're going to continue to the upside. But looking at the 1 hour, we just swept the buy side here. Let me clean it up a little bit, but we do this here. Discount array. Put it up there. Expected the midpoint there. We're in the buy side here. This was the buy side from 7 o'clock this morning. Okay, cool. What else do we have here? So we got the London low we never swept. We got the London low. We also have we also got this inefficiency, and we have this order block here. So I want to see what happens. We had news right at 9:45. We already passed through it. Okay, cool. Get rid of that. So we at the midpoint of this volume imbalance on the daily. We swept this at 9:30. Okay, 9:30, 9:31. First presentation fair value gap is there, so we use the gap. Okay. Are we near any? Here we go. We are inside this huge. Okay, price is looking like it may want to head for these highs on the daily. Not too far away. Oh, that's extremely far. All right. So yeah, not today. Well, we could, but I'd be very surprised if we got there today. No cap. We got this high here, this inefficiency here that we could make it most likely target if it does continue to show signs that it wants to go higher. No, not yet. Okay. Today Friday, so hopefully we can catch something real quick and simple. I don't want to overstay my welcome for the most part. What is ES doing? Did ES take that? ES take its low at London? No, we didn't take that low at London on ES either, and we have equal lows on ES. We got equal lows on ES. I'm thinking ES can maybe take out these highs here if we can get there today. It's looking like we can get there today. So I want to see if NQ can lead, tip his hand, and we can possibly target. Let me go to the 1 hour. These highs here, these are the only highs that I would see that I would want to target. A rejection block. This inefficiency here as well, I could probably target. Let me just do this instead. The high of that candle is at 91925. Alright, bet, let's get into it. We hit 400 subscribers yesterday, man. That was clutch, bro. I was like, nah. Took a little minute, but we finally got there. Finally got there, man. Alright, 15 minutes. Fix this up a little bit. Let me make this a little smaller. I was targeting these lows yesterday. I got in the move like, I got in like maybe around here. I was targeting these smooth lows, but price just we just came into a rejection block, and that was all we needed. As you can see, let me see if it's on the 4 hour a little cleaner. Yeah, right there. So I was trading this wick. I was targeting this low here, but price just all the bulk, the volume is here. The liquidity is really here at the open and the close of these candles. So that's why I really didn't that's why I didn't take out these smooth lows like I expected. But that was a good this was a good draw on liquidity yesterday. We also have this here too. I said that volume imbalance, so we're gonna see if price maybe wanna head there if we don't continue to the upside, but just gonna wait and see. Okay. First presentation per value gap. See how we used it here. Traded through it. We have this inversion here as well. And what do we target? This is that daily CB low, right? Yep. Daily CB low, top right. No, that's not the daily CB low. 4 hour CB low, okay. Alright, price may want to head there if ES wants to head out and head and take out these highs. Oh, we have an inefficiency here too. Okay. I still think price can come to this high though. We already tapped into this. This is technically like one whole entire gap, but we're not gonna do that for just, we wanna just keep it simple, but I'm looking at this as like one entire gap for the most part. So I want to see what happens here. If ES gives us a little setup or something to trade up into that. We're already too high to even, I mean, let me see. 5 minute. We have no inefficiencies being created, no fair value gaps or nothing. So we might just head there. It is 10 o'clock, so this is what I like here. Oh, okay, I already got it. $11:30. The macro's in now. So the macro pushed it higher from the first presentation fair value gap. From the first gap after 9:30, we created it at what? 9:31. We used this inversion gap here, and we used the midpoint of the first presentation. As you can see, we kind of respecting it here, upper quadrant here, trade into an order block, fair value gap here, and we push higher. So I wouldn't mind. We do have this gap here as well though, so we're gonna see what price wants to do. The high of that is at 861 flat. We got this inefficiency here, so I want to see if price wants to trade back into it. We may not though, because we're printing fair value gaps to the upside. So this to me is showing me that we're extremely bullish. We may not get a retracement back up into this. No cap. So probably around like, I took a screenshot of something, let me find it. Super important. I'm finna drop some gems real quick. You feel me? Drop some crazy gems. Go to my Discord real quick. This right here is a Houdini catch. Let me see. 5, 6 micros out. This is tough. Oh, so he took that there to target that. Oh, that's nice. Good shit, bro. That's how you do it. Super nice. All right. This was a good setup here. If I was at my charts, I would have took this. I mean, yeah, if I was here in time, I would have took this. I'm not gonna lie. It was alright. Oh yeah, let me drop this for y'all real quick. Not that one. Oh, okay, I got it. All right, so for the AM session, right? AM session, this is how we anticipate trades, right? So at 8:30, the news embargo lifts. We already had that pass by. I'm really just focused on the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock hour for the most part. We had the 9:30 market equity open there, so we good. So at 10 o'clock, after first 30-minute settlement is established, right? So the opening range gap is here. After that's established, the settlement price, whatever you want to call it, we can look at this as like a Judah swing. I'm not saying this is a Judah swing, but I'm just reading off the charter notes. But this is typically how the day goes. 10:30 after the first 60-minute opening range is established. 11 o'clock EST on days of the week that offer conditions for market reversals like Thursday and Friday. So these are where we anticipate trades, right? 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, where we anticipate a setup to form, where we anticipate to see something in price. If we don't see something, then we don't have anything at all. That's how I look at it. PM session is pretty good too, but where you anticipate trades 10 o'clock, right? So at 9:57, right? Let's go to the 10 o'clock hour. You have this trade here. So let's see what happens at the 10:30. At 10:30, then 11, if I'm here and still here by that time. But this is that trade at 10 o'clock. Macro delivered it higher. We got 4 minutes left into it. So let's see. Don't trust me, I got 3 phones. I was in the venue. The love discontinued. I'm just stuck on you, just stuck on you, stuck on you, just stuck. Just stuck. Probably not gonna trade back into this, but just in case, you never know. Am I done for taking sales at 8:37? Buy side taking inversion for where get plus where got created, targeting London low. At 8:37. Buy side swept here. Wait. You want short here? Let me see. So 8:30, 8:37. You probably went short in one of these. You probably went short here, huh? 9:37 for you, I guess. Oh, okay. No, this isn't bad at all. I can see why you went short after the liquidity was taken, but I would have I probably would have waited, bro, because the higher time frame just looks. Let me just do this instead. 9:40, 9:35, right? So I would have seen this. This is at 9 o'clock, right? You see how price tapped into this gap here once more. We got this explosion out of it. We inside this here, this huge volume imbalance. This just looks bullish to me though, bro. This looks bullish. The sales are it, but like I feel like most of my losses come from trading against the higher time frame. You feel me? So I probably wouldn't have took this, but I'm not. I could see why you took that trade for sure. I could see why you took it. Price overlapped this candle with this fair value gap here too. You kind of got a swing low. If you look on like the lower time frame, I'm pretty sure this is a swing low on a 30-second or 15-second. If you want to be really precise and try to catch like a snipe type entry here, I would consider this a swing low as well. 1, 2, 3, that 3 candle pattern. So the liquidity was swept here. So I can see why you took the trade, bro. I can see why you took it. We are also in the lower quadrant of this volume imbalance. So you probably thought maybe price would want to go lower. So That's not a bad trade idea. And we were above the midnight and 8:30 opening price. On days like Thursday and Friday, buying and selling above or below the midnight opening price isn't really that effectful, but it still helps. But like, it really isn't that effectful. I learned Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like the sweet spot for the days you wanna be trying to um, buy below 8:30 or midnight or sell above these two price points. But this is not a bad trade idea, bro. I can definitely see why you took that trade. I was looking at price action this morning, and I seen that this gap was holding up here. I seen this happen here. I seen this candle here. I'm like, okay, we may just want to expand higher, but I'm gonna keep in mind that today is Friday, so be careful look out for any reversals or anything like that. You feel me? But that's really it. Once I seen this though, bro, if I was on the charts, once I seen this, we traded through this gap here, first presentation fair value gap. Then we had this CB here. If I would have seen that, all right, seeing how price was using this gap here, I probably would have went short somewhere long somewhere in here, maybe close to like the 9:50, the 10 o'clock hour. So if I didn't catch this, I probably most likely would have caught this, and I would have used half risk because we're above the midnight. I would have used half and targeted this. That's what I would have did. Just based off like this showing me that we are bullish. This is nothing but bullish price action. Bullish PD arrays are being respected. We got this small little tiny inefficiency here. We color outside the lines just a little bit, but that's okay. We tap into the upper parameter of the first fair value gap. You stay in the upper quadrant too of that. So that would have been pretty decent move. I think my boy caught this. W day withdrawal. Okay. Oh, this is tough. Change the character, changing the state of delivery. That's nice. Partial there. This must have been like an inversion or something, or some type of fair value gap that you used as an inversion and went short from. That's nice, bro. That's nice. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we did tap into that low, the lower parameter. We already swept the buy side here from 7. We already swept the buy side. So the way prices look, I don't want to be the one that like trying to guess things and shit like that, but if I had to take a guess at it, this isn't too far to reach. 234 points. If we want to target these highs here, we could, but the only thing is we traded inside this, so we're gonna see how our price want to treat that. If we get a crazy break below, if we get displacement past this low, that'll confirm it for me. But if we just if that happens, if we just take this low and it's very weak and not really, energetic, then maybe I can look for some type of entry there. But we're not trading to anything on a 5 minute. There's no 5 minute fair value gap that we can act as like a turtle soup. So let's say there's a fair value gap here. We have this low here. Price comes in the 5 minute inefficiency, or let's just say a 15 minute inefficiency, and we take the low, turtle soup entry, and we continue to go on long. But I'm not sure yet. We do have this inefficiency on the 15 minutes, so that I just explained that. What's good, RJ, bro? What's good, my boy? So let's see what we do. Let's see what we do, man. At 10:30, I said, what did I say? At 10:30, I need to go back to that. I will be going live Saturday, shotgun Saturday, for sake of my time management. Episode this 60-minute per episode for those who actually Telegram. For those who leave a comment asking for the Telegram link is found in the comment section. It requires that you download the Telegram, which is free to now. Now you can see John, you cannot. Okay. Oh yeah, yesterday I found out I have actually 2 accounts now. So I'm down about 300 on this account. And yesterday was a break-even day, so I'm down about 300. Found out I had this account, so I just made it. What is it? I did the little copy trade thing. I didn't even know I had 2 accounts. I'm like, what? I checked my email this morning, and my email just came through. So when they billed me yesterday, I didn't even know they billed me, bro. Like, I didn't even know it had happened until I checked my account. I'm like, what? Then I got the email this morning that I was rebilled. I'm like, oh, okay. I thought I failed the challenge or something like that, or was ineligible to pass it or something. I don't know. Have a good day, bro. Caught like a 1.56R trade followed by withdraw man, double inverse entry with a protected induced high in order block to protect it and price delivered lower so cleanly. Man, the way you described that, I'm already knowing it did. I'm already knowing it was just fluent, straight to the point. It probably was random too, huh? I'm already knowing. New 15-minute candle just started, so. So I'm really kind of, no, get out of that, yeah. I'm really leaning towards more like maybe price sweep this low, then we come back, maybe trade higher. This is at 10-12, so this is the initial buy side here. So the macro, we priced higher into this inefficiency here. Macros hunt liquidity or hunt inefficiencies, and we did ended at 11. We ended at 10:10. Yeah, 10:10. So the macro used. Okay. All right. Right that. We barely tapped into it though. Like we barely tapped into it. I can get rid of this now on ES. I mean, it's still kind of just a little. 'Cause no, I'm tripping. High, wait, low, high, high, low, higher, high. Here, so let me see something. That candle there, breaker there. We got this inefficiency that was just created right there. Seven minutes. I'm gonna see what happens when we leave that open on ES. $37 minutes left inside this candle. So we traded up first. The candle opened, we traded up first into this. So okay. We traded up into this first. Alright. I wanna see how price reacts when we sweep these lows, because these are kinda equal, so let me see what happens. Yeah, that's what I want to see. So I would want to see price maybe trade back into. This is like a small little gap. Nah, that's not. Low is at 87250. High is at 87225. So just short off a point for the most part. Nothing too crazy. I got hit selling after open. Wrecked off. I didn't even see that. Dang, that's crazy. I remember, bro, like just this was kind of recent, like 4 months ago, 3-4 months ago. When I was diving into the 2024 mentorship, I started doing things that I normally wouldn't do, but I'm glad I did it because I learned a lot. But I was buying. I started to trade inside this opening range here too. Most of my losses were, I would say, like around that, like around 950. If I were to take a trade before 950, for the most part, most of my trades would lose. I felt like after 950, that sweet spot, and it's with the macro. See the macro, that's important. Before I even knew what a macro was, around 950, when I would decide to trade, if it was before 10 o'clock, this little 10-minute window before 950, before 10 o'clock was good. But anything before 950, I would lose like all the time, bro. I didn't know what was going on. Yo, what's good, Sadiq? No, I didn't take anything yet. If something's clear enough for me to take, I'll take it, but I didn't take anything yet. It's today Friday, so I'm being careful. There may be some type of reversal, but the higher time frame is we're bullish on the higher time frame. So we do have these smooth highs. here. These are smooth to me. Think that price can get there. I would consider this like a pillaring of highs. I think ICT talked about it a minute ago, a long time ago. And when you see a high like this, high like this, high like this is called pillaring. So I did good plays. Was good, Red? I didn't take anything yet. I haven't took a trade yet. Waiting for it to set up. I want to see if price can, if we're bullish. We tapped into this 4-hour CB, but we really didn't take like a major buy side level beside this 15-minute candle. So I want to see how price reacts when we trade into this 15-minute inefficiency right here. I want to see if price can trade into that while sweeping the lows here on the 1 minute. I mean, yeah, these lows here. So we also got this gap that aligns with that 15-minute perspective. So we're gonna see if we can get that. But right now we're just consolidating, we accumulating. So we may be accumulating for long positions. Week range is done. This is Monday at Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Wait, Friday. What? Oh. Monday was there. Here. This is Monday. Yeah, we did do a lot, bro. We did do a lot. We had all of this, bro. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can catch like a little buy or something to the upside. Maybe some type of reverse or whatever offers us. But I really want to lean more towards taking longs today. But I gotta be careful because today is a Friday, so still think that we could get here maybe. You take anything yet, Sadiq, bro? The high of this is at 861 flat. No, bro. Okay. None taken. Oh, let me do one thing. This is important right here. It'd be nice if I can play like music in the background. I'm looking to short the PM. Okay. Let me do this too as well, so I know that this is the first. This is the high here. Highs at 0.725. How far is this? How far did we move since the bell? 158 points, about 160 points. So I'm asking price to go at least 300 points on a day. About 314 points on a day. just chilling, just waiting. This is the boring part. If you can sit here, in my opinion, if you could just sit here and just watch price and not do nothing and not take a trade, that's how you know you're getting better. You feel me? That's how you know how you know you're getting better. Um, I remember back then when I first started trading, or even kind of like a little last year before I learned patience and letting the market, reading the market and stuff like that. I would try to find any way to take a trade. Like I probably would have been trying to buy this gap here, even though it would have worked out. But you know, like they say, all money not good money. Sometimes you feel me. You you don't need to take it. You don't need to trade every day. Take a trade like this. Which means this really had nothing to do with my rules, how I would enter. Um, this was nice though. I would screenshot that. I would log that, screenshot that. If the initial buy side gets taken, if we don't, then. But we're just printing in equal highs. It's looking like. So let's see. Price may tap into this gap, and we go ahead and finish out with the move. This is an inversion here, so you don't even want to see price come back into this. We could trade into this, but if we treat this as an inversion, we want this to just be left alone. We already did the work here. Different day. We swept that high, that initial buy side. It was kind of weak though. You're gonna see. So we didn't even trade back into this here. We had one. I mean, we still can. We got 10 minutes left. This candle could be crazy, but we got 4 hours left inside this candle. I see this inefficiency here. Inside this inefficiency, so Sadiq may have been correct. There may be like some type of PM, some move, or like if we don't get up here, we just stay inside this. Price may use this inefficiency here just to trade back into this one, or even this quadrant here if it wants to go lower. If we don't take out this high or these equal highs here, so that's something to look out for. We still expanding higher. This trade idea is over with. So we're gonna anticipate. We're anticipating maybe the 11 o'clock hour may yield some type of reversal. Maybe we didn't take out any major buy side yet. So just wait to see how price is reacting around these candles, man. These gaps. Do that. Grip that. Do this now. It just makes my chart look hella blank. Damn. Alright. Just me and my niggas, and that's how I feel right now. I don't fuck with you niggas. That's how I feel right now. I was stuck at the bottom. That's how I live right now. It's just me and my niggas, and that's how I feel right now. So I wanted price to come trade into this, take out this low. I mean, we swept this low here. That's still a run on stops. But it would have been better if we used this gap instead. It would have been better if we just tapped into this or the block entry from this low to this high. Yeah, from this low to this high, this is in a discount too between this range high, this range low, this range high. Equilibrium, we traded into it. It'd been nice if we would have traded into this area and then didn't look for a setup, but we didn't get it. This looks kind of important to me. Not gonna lie, I like that. I'll make that make that orange. We got the midpoint of the of this higher time frame for value gap, CB. I like this. This is a 15-minute CB as well, so it's kind of left alone by itself inside this inefficiency. So price may want to rebalance that as well. So since the 10 o'clock hour started, all we did was just we accumulated, like I said, accumulated for more long positions. So we had to run on stops here. We used this inefficiency here, this CB here as an inversion, this bullish fair value gap here to take out the initial buy side that was created at 10:12. So let's see if we can get a run up into that. Macro starts at in about 20 minutes. Where you guys think price going today? You think we're gonna continue to go higher, or you think we going lower? Where I think we head? Think we can head into this little inefficiency here, shaded in orange. Trae Young wasn't an all-star. That's crazy. No cap. Make sure you leave a like if you're new to the stream. If you're in the stream, make sure you leave a like. You feel me? I would definitely appreciate that. All right, let's see how we treat this 5-minute inefficiency. This may set up a reversal. Let's see how we treat it. Like the midpoint of it. Can't wait to see how price closes. You did just tap into this gap here. Let's see. Yes, it's going lower. We could target these lows for a quick little scalp if it yields us that, but we gotta wait to see how this closes first. Let's wait. If we can get a solid closure out of this gap, the short wouldn't be bad, but I want to wait though. Let's wait. Be a little patient. Because if not, we're just gonna use this to go higher. This candle was kind of energetic. I like that type of candle. One hour closes in 16 minutes. This closes in 1 minute. So after this candle opens, let's see if we can let's wait here first. We gotta wait. We close right at it. Okay, I like this. So I want to see if price can close with a bearish candle and create a fair value gap, then I'll target something like that, and I'll consider this a breakaway gap here. But we have to create the gap here out of this inefficiency. It has to be a bullish fair value gap that a bearish fair value gap that overlaps this one as well. So if we don't create the gap, then there's no move. And we really didn't sweep we didn't really sweep a swing low. And we had this here, but that's not really like convincing, you feel me? So we tapped into this, but we check this candle's low. Took that 15-minute there. The low that was at 8975. What? What is that? No. What the fuck? I like how we stand in the lower quadrant. We're closing in this quadrant here instead of this one. We can wick it. We had this little gap here. So let's see. No trades taken yet. No trades taken yet. Let's see if we create a fair value gap here. Candle closing in 11 minutes. Can we get there before then? Nah. I don't think we do. We create a gap here. We got this here as well. All right. I wouldn't mind going long here, but we already traded above this gap here, this inversion. Let me make it a different color. I'll make it gray. We're already in the upper quadrant, so price should, if we're going to continue the upside, price should just tap into this and go higher. But I'm gonna just wait. The 1 hour closes in 8 minutes. Who knows? This 1 hour candle could print lower. Liquidate everybody who's trying to go long here. So just wait. So we use this gap to go higher. Looking like 2 minute. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. we use this to go long. We could. I just don't like how price closed outside of the SIBI here. If we're going to continue to the upside, we should have used the first. We should have used the upper quadrant of the SIBI and went higher. Damn, ES looking like it's about to explode. Shit. 8 minutes left. You got this high here on ES as well. How far is that? Seven minutes left until this is over with, man. We just gonna wait until this candles. We just done printing. So we respected it there. Look at the bodies. The initial buy side is here. Still not a good setup. I mean, the 1-7 is not bad though, but I would at least aim for something like that, maybe. You got this candle here. Order blockers respected there as well. This one have been a bad short, but we like kind of already we kind of already too high into the range. I don't want to be like chasing it, you know what I mean? I don't want to chase it because we could have easily just, but if you were confident enough, this would have probably been like a little decent little scalp to the upside. Target the initial buy side. Let's see if the macro sets up some type of reversal or something. Looking at this gap here. Also looking at this order block here. This is only an order block because we traded out of this. We got the inefficiency here, so let me see how price treats it. 3 minutes left into this 1 hour candle. Two bullish 1 hour candles in a row. So I guess if you trusted that it was gonna come up into this, I didn't really like. I mean, maybe I could have took some here, but like, nah. It was kind of too high. I don't know. Macro delivered it into it. The ES doing. ES is still going higher. This is looking like the objective, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's looking like we can get there. Let me see how this closes, and then we make our move from there. We are extremely high. If the 1 hour candle does come into this, I may I may go small. Because we're respecting bullish PD raise to the upside. Look how we use this inefficiency here. We use the upper quadrant right here. One, two, 3 times to expand higher. So let's see. I may go, may take a long go. Well, you do got that whole entire there too. When I see stuff like this, kind of like, this price could just rebalance this whole entire area here, just cause of that small little volume imbalance right there. If you can see it, so you gotta, instead of doing this, you gotta add the whole entire thing. How's it going, bro? I took a loss trying to short. It's going good, bro. I haven't taken any trades yet. Trying to be extra patient, be careful with it. You feel me? It is Friday. Our reversal could, yield itself. So I want to see how price holds up here. It would be a little crazy trying to. We just took out the highs there as well. Let's see though. 11 o'clock. We can anticipate some type of reversal. Doesn't mean it have to happen, but we can anticipate it. We did a lot of the work here. We tapped into the midpoint of this gap. Also tapped into this 15-minute inefficiency here. We didn't take out any major sell side. We just kept taking out the sell side that was printed as price kept expanding higher. So there wasn't any major sell side taken. ES is doing that. New 1 hour candle just started. We printing higher. We didn't even make a wick low yet. We didn't wick lower yet, so is that all we're just gonna do this? Just expand higher. To efficiently price this, maybe. You got this here. So, okay, I want to see on ES if we can trade back into this. There. And there. On ES, if that's going to happen, then we should. Damn, I might have missed the entry. Maybe. You're going to see, though, we did just gap up there. Got this high there. We left this open there. That's a bullet signature there. Got this gap there. Want to see how we close. Just want to catch a little scalp. Going about our day. Dang, 1 to 3. Not even worth it. It's not even worth it at that point. Wouldn't even be worth it to take that. Yeah, it wouldn't be worth it because I don't think price gonna get here. Nah. Not even worth it. To my stop, I have to go here. And I would target a 1 to 2, but it's like I'm targeting the blind, you know? Only thing I would target is this upper perimeter of this gap. So I'm kind of like targeting the blind. I don't want to be doing that. I want to be targeting like clear. Back inside the gap. Inside this 1 minute gap as well. Like how we close outside of that gap.
Order filled. Order filled.
ES is holding up, so NQ should hold up as well too. And the high of that would be at 9920. 9920. Small little scalp. Let's see if we can get there. Let me Let's see if we can get there. I know we are extremely high to the range. We are high, so this is a risky trade, but that's why I went in light. Went in light today. I'm not gonna overdo my part. I want to see ES hold up on this fair value gap as well. If ES holds up, then NQ should continue to hold up. And depending on how far I want to reach for it, then maybe I could have a higher target. But you're gonna do that first. Stick there first. So I be looking at my shorts. Sometimes I be looking mad. I be having to fix my face sometimes. This may be setting up some type of reversal. ES came back into its fair value gap in that order block. So or to make it filled here. Wow, look at that. We came just
Order filled.
short of it. All right. All right, bet. So I want to see how we treat this gap. Hope this wasn't like just a run on stops and we continue to the upside. Hope that wasn't the case. $5-minute. Okay. I'm seeing how he's setting up. This could be a target. Let's see though. This may be a run. That might have been a run on stops. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna go again. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one. But then again, we swept that low. But my stop probably should have been at this low on ES. ES we're printing higher. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it.
Order filled. Order filled.
No. What happened?
Order filled.
This thing is broken, bro. This thing is broken. I'm trying to buy. This thing is broken. It keeps doing that. This thing is broken, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
This thing is broken, bro. Like, I don't know what's wrong with this thing, bro. But it is what it is. I'm clicking buy and it's closing my positions. Like, that's crazy, bro. I may have should have waited a little longer maybe, because if this doesn't hold up, then we get the displacement low past this low. That could yield us a setup maybe. So I'm gonna look at ES again. Yeah, this could probably yield us a setup to go lower maybe. I mean, ES is going higher, so let's just ride. Let's just ride with that. Let's just ride with that. We cut loss out the lines here. We got this order block there. So yeah, I may have should have waited for the reversal, but ES is still going higher. So we gonna wait. We just gonna wait and see. If price breaks this high and it's with displacement, move from stop to break even. It's a Friday. Not really trying to do too much. Just get in and get out, bro. Yeah, see, this thing is broken. I know I'm buying a little high. This is a little risky. I know this is very risky for what I'm doing, but I think we good. Let's see. 15-minute candle closes. Dang, in 40 seconds. And we're gonna create a. I mean, we don't have any inefficiencies to rebalance. We really don't. But price could open and just wick. Want to wick lower. It definitely could do that. My stop is technically the last 15. So it's a new 15-minute candle. My stop is that candle's wick. The open is at the bottom of the candle. So here's the bottom of that 15-minute wick. That's where my stop is at. Looking at ES, we just came back into another inefficiency on ES. Depending on how price, we gonna see, bro. Be nice if ES could hold up. We can at least break past this high. Like we slowing down, but it could just be consolidating because people are trying to go short here. But you never know. If we break this high, I'm going to break even and I'm calling it a day. Because I don't want to really. It's Friday. They kind of already tripping over here. Got this black candle there. Bearish candle, so see how we treat that. Yeah, couldn't do it. Yeah, ES is tanking. ES is tanking now. We just tap back into that, so this will probably tank. And this may cause a reversal. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. I think this thing is like tripping. Maybe I'm still like new to the. How do I check my trade history? How do I do that? Let me see. Oh, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Orders, trades, quote. Hmm. Bro. Price needs to break below this with displacement. ES is already kind of doing this thing. You see, ES is kind of already doing this thing. We got this gap here, so we should use it if we're gonna go lower. Should respect it. All right. I want to see price break past this. Okay. Okay. You could target these lows here. If we get a gap. 30 seconds left. Run on stops. A run on stops? Really? That's what we do? This could be a short inside the. We're gonna treat this as an inversion, but I want to see like the displacement with the fair value gap. If this was a run on stops and I tried to go long twice, that's gonna be that's gonna be annoying, bro. No cap. Tried to go long twice and it's not giving me. Oh wait, I need to look at something. Oh, okay, 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 cool. Okay, cool. I get it now. Like I said, this could be, you could short here, but I'd rather see the gap. I mean, we got this breakaway gap here. So let's see if we can get a fair value gap. 2 minutes looking like nothing. If this goes higher, that's gonna be like upsetting because like I was long in this here and here. I mean, I didn't lose nothing. So that's always a good thing, right? It's going lower, but it's going lower super slow. Um, since this happened at 11:21, we've been staying here. I just want to see a gap. You could go short here, you could, but I just prefer not to. I want to see a fair value gap be created first. If we create a gap here, my stop can go above the breakaway gap because we don't want to see price trade back into that. We don't anticipate it to, at least. Let's see if it can yield us something. ES is doing this thing. I feel like ES can come target these lows as well. Here. Those look smooth. These look smooth. see if we create it. Let's see if we can create this gap here. I like how we got the fair value gap outside of the SIBI that we're treating as an inversion. So
Order filled. Order filled.
this is kind of like a swing high, as you can see. So let's see if we can get the delivery down. This will be the last one, then we have to call it quits. Price should respect this. I mean, it could tap back into the lower. Nah, we should. I don't see price come. If we come above this candle, then it's over with. It's 11:30:28. So let's see, going into the lunch hour, what they want to do. We tap back into that 5-minute inefficiency. That was the reason for this candle here. We tap back into it with this candle. I want to see price stay below these two candles. We could tap into the fair value gap again though. We could do that. But on ES, we tapping back into that 5 minute fair value gap as well. So let's see, man. Let's see what happens, bro. Yeah, it's looking like it's going higher out of that 5 minute gap. We tapped into it here. Now we back at it again. So I would be, I mean, it could happen, but I would be shocked if we did start to buy again after me trying to go long here. I would be shocked, but anything can happen. Everything's random, right? So no way we reverse here, bro. We already did. We've been buying all morning. Noon, lunch hour, I would expect some type of reversal around 11 o'clock time too. As you can see, we had it here. So I do expect some type of reversal if we've been buying all morning. In Q, we just tapped the lower quadrant of the gap again here. We just tapped it there. My stop loss is there. But that's good though. That's a good stop loss placement, I feel like. Because we shouldn't come back above those two. We shouldn't come back above this candle here either. If we're gonna go lower, we shouldn't. I had somebody in my Discord that went long here. His stop was at least here or here, so I'm expecting price to at least run. I'm pretty sure he took profits, but I'm expecting price to run against the traders that went long over here. It's the lunch hour. I don't see it. I don't see why it wouldn't happen. Is my chart frozen? Oh, my chart is frozen. Oh my god, my chart is frozen, bro. That is ridiculous, bro. I appreciate you for saying something, bro. I appreciate that a lot, bro. I appreciate that a lot, bro. I appreciate that a lot, bro. No one, nobody was gonna say something to me. Dang, y'all don't rock with me. Y'all ain't fucking with me. Dang, that's crazy. We supposed to be fam. Y'all supposed to be looking out for me. We got all this wick action, bro. We just tapped back into that. Oh, this parameter. So this wick here, we tapped back into that volume imbalance. I wonder are we at like a new week opening gap or anything like that. Yeah, we are at a new week opening gap. We just tapped into it. Good now? Alright. So I went short inside this gap here. Stop is above this swing high. As you can see, this candle's high is lower than this one. And we got that one there. So that's kind of a swing high. Want to see this hold up. We shouldn't come back above this high. We got this gap here, so um, gonna move my stop here because we shouldn't come back above that. We already swept the highs here. We already had the rebalance here with this candle, so we really shouldn't come back above that. So let's see, bro. Price is having a hard time moving, bro. This is annoying. This is very annoying. It won't deliver straight to the point. It won't get to it, man. So you gonna see, bro. It won't do what it gotta do. ES just tanked as well, so that's a good sign, I guess, right? But we got 3 wick candles here. 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at these candles here. This is an order block. Let me see how price treats that. ES, we're about to approach those smooth lows on ES. We're about to approach that area, so looks like we're gonna trade into an inefficiency on ES again. And Q did a little bit more work with this candle. ES had like a wick. It was more of like a wick. So let's see. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for your boy, man. We just hit 400 subs. The next goal is 450. Next goal is 450. That's the next goal. If we break below this low, then I'll move my stops and profit. Maybe just above this high here. Okay, we broke below. Stop. I'm gonna put it above. Just put it right at there. That's fine. Took out those smooth lows on ES. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, and then I may be content with what I got today and be good. Give it a few more minutes though. Something right here that's causing price to be stagnant. I wonder what it is. I wonder if it's like a new week opening gap or something like that. Yeah, it is a new week opening gap. We're trading in the lower quadrant of that gap now. So where we at right now, where these candles are forming, it's in the lower quadrant of a new week opening gap. So it's having a hard time getting through. On ES, it looks like we may continue to tank, but just gotta wait, see. Order block there, small little tiny inefficiency there. We just rebalanced, so let's see if we can go on with the move. That may have, let's see though, we may have met the draw already for the time being. may have meant to draw. This is a new 15-minute candle. So that started 3 minutes ago. I'm gonna probably just close here. Yeah, I'm gonna probably close it. Yes, sir. Yeah, we didn't. I wanted price to take out these lows. We could come into this, but I don't want to just leave. I mean, we were already kind of there. I mean, I could just take this and be done. Left about 300 on the table here. I didn't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like doing that, but it is what it is. Can't control nothing about it, bro. Is ES done? No way ES is done with his move. Oh man, I'm gonna see what price does with this inefficiency here. We already got one. We're gonna see what happens here. We can continue to the downside. I'm already at break even, so let me see if price can tap into this and go higher. If not, then we just left this on the table. But I thought that we could at least come into this low here. We came short of it again. Crazy work, right? I would want to see price overlap this, but crazy work, right? You just did it there, but we could. Let's see how it closes now. Inside the gap. On ES we had like kind of a huge move lower. I ain't gonna say huge, but it kind of displacing. So let's see. You tapped into it once there. That's kind of all we needed. We got this candle there. We just tapped into it. So I'm gonna see what ES does. If ES continues to the downside, NQ should do the same. And that's what I'm riding with. That's what I'm gonna ride with. Crazy work, right? Do your thing, cuz. I'm looking at this gap here, and I'm trying to pay attention to the lower quadrant of it. It's small, but I'm trying to see how we use it. If we break past this low, I'm putting my stop above this high. Matter of fact, I'll probably just be good if we can get that low. I'm not gonna lie to you. He ain't gonna cap to you, Brody. ES, we just tapped into an inefficiency on the 1 minute, a fair value gap as well. This is annoying, bro. Hopefully we can treat this as a run-on stop so we can go lower. That'd be nice, but we took out the sellers here, right? We took out the sellers there. I mean, I probably could have just targeted this low, but damn, like, damn, this looks clean as hell. Like, we don't deliver here. It looks too clean, bro. Like, this looks too clean. How do we not get there? I wouldn't be buying right here on ES at your inefficiency. I just wouldn't be buying right there, so I don't think it could go higher, but I don't see why it would go higher. I'm looking at ES on a 1 minute. I'm looking at it on my phone. You feel me? Like, you gonna see though, bro. Yeah, we holding up on ES. It's looking like that'd be kind of dumb for anybody to buy that. I feel like to buy that inefficiency. And it's just wicking. Price is just wicking. Keep creating like these huge wicks on a 5 minute, 15 minute. We got a huge wick. 5 minute, the last 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 4 candles we just been wicking, bro. $30-minute fair value gap, bro. Let me look at the 30-minute. I didn't see it. I never look at the 30-minute. It's rare that I do. Oh my god. 30-minute fair value gap. Wow. Didn't even see that there, bro. I'm glad you called that out. Who said that? Owen? Appreciate you, bro. Don't close it yet, bro. No, I'm not gonna close it. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm not gonna close it, bro. I do want to lock in something, but it's alright. It's alright, bro. It is what it is. I never look at the 30-minute, so that's crazy. What about the 1 hour? The 1 hour. We're about to close in about 30 seconds on the 1 hour. 30-minute, we're about to close as well. So let's just hope we can get a move to the downside when these new candles open, bro. But I appreciate that, Owen, bro. Dependable offer. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna close, bro. I'm gonna just let it do what it do. I'm at break even. I didn't lose anything today either. So that's alright, but new 30-minute, new 15-minute candle just started. So let's see where we deliver, if we just continue to the upside or if we can continue to the downside. I'm glad you cut out that 30-minute inefficiency, bro, because I'm sitting here and thinking like, bro, what is going on, bro? Like, why is it not making this move? But I know exactly why now, bro. I guess this is something I can expect to happen in the PM session, right? I mean, during that lunch hour. They take their little lunch break or whatever. I guess this is likely to happen. The 1 hour candle started too. There's an inefficiency on the 15-minute on ES, but not on NQ though. I believe ES will reach up into that. We did just now. We're inside that 15-minute on ES, so let's hope we can stay in the lower quadrant of this gap, of this BISI here, on the 5-minute on ES, and then respect that 15-minute, continue to the downside. That'll be the last go at it. W Live out. I post videos about me trading as well. Okay, cool. Let me see what your channel looking like, bro. Okay, day trading is lonely. You just posted that. That's nice, bro. I lost 425 day trading at 17, but you're 17? Oh, you're ahead of the game, bro. I'm 25. Sheesh. How my day trading with Jesus Christ helped me get funded. That's nice. Rules that I have. Yeah, you keep doing what you're doing, bro. Yeah, you keep posting your videos, bro. I would turn these, if you can, I would turn some of your videos into shorts. You can do it with these videos here. Turn these all into shorts and post them on your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I can see the vision, bro. I see it, bro. Stick through with it and don't stop, gang. I see the vision, gang. Yeah, trading is difficult, bro. Trading is boring and difficult, and it is what it is, bro. Trading is different, bro. Gotta have a different type of mindset to be doing something like this. I feel like back then I could not do that. I would probably be crying, all type of stuff. Probably would have been blew my account. The old me would have. But that's just how I know I've gotten better as a person. Not even just with trading, but as a person, being more disciplined, being patient. You feel me? There's more room to grow in those areas, but gotten a little bit better with it. Okay, ES is dropping. This is what I want to see happen, bro. Hopefully we can continue with this momentum. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Like, bro. ES is there's some equal lows on ES that's inside of inefficiency on the it's on the 15 minute. There's an inefficiency on ES. I'm expecting price to come into. And on the 1 minute there are smooth equal lows I'm looking at on ES. So I'm expecting ES. If ES is gonna go lower, I'm expecting NQ to follow. Yeah, that wick is crazy. Alright, I'm done, bro. Whoa, what the? Oh, okay. I'm like, bro, I thought I closed my trade, but give it a minute. I thought I closed my trade, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. This trading shit, bro. This is not for the weak, bro. Oh my god. Your mic volume is low. Let me see. How could I fix that? Let me see. Um, I turned it up a little bit. Hope that's better. Should be better. Hope it's not too loud. But golly, I thought I closed my trade, bro. Over the weekend, bro, I'm gonna really sit down. I'm gonna learn all this Topstep stuff. I'm gonna figure out what's to it and everything. I keep delaying that, bro. I would have closed my trade, bro. This is annoying, bro. Just took what the market gave me. Now it's like I kind of gotta wait. But we printing bearish fair value gap, so this is what we want to see. We want to see price stay in this area, bro. Wow, I thought I closed my trade. I just closed my TP limit. Crazy work. That's crazy work. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Order filled.
Oh shit. Well, that'll be it. Shit. Wow. That was crazy. Must be random. Must be random. Do you go live every day? Yeah, I go. Yeah, I go live every day. As long as I'm trading, as long as there's like there aren't any crazy news events like FOMC. I don't trade on Wednesday. I didn't take a trade. So I don't go live. But I trade every day for the most part. I mean, I stream every day for the most part. My bad. I go live every day. Trying to stay consistent in something. I'm trying to figure out how I want to maneuver with the content when it comes to streaming, trading, and how I can help people out, how I can help myself out, how I can benefit all of us. So trying to do something new. But yeah, I was expecting price. We've been going long all morning, right? So at some point I was expecting price to come and take out these self stops here, people who got their stop loss rested here, who think price can maybe go higher. I was expecting price to run those traders out. All right, I'm gonna tap in. Okay, bet. Appreciate you, bro. I appreciate that a lot. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you subscribe, and I got my free Discord link pinned to the description below. So if you want to join that, tap in, and it's a lot of good people in there. Whole bunch of good people, whole lot of snipers. I feel like we all kind of good in our own way, and we all trade ICT. So see, my boy caught this. He's sniping. He's going crazy. He's going crazy. He passed. Yeah, he passed that shit in 3 days. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. That's how you do that, bro. That's how you do it. Three days is a little crazy, but Houdini just joined. He's been going crazy. But yeah, bro, that'll really be it for the most part. We had to sit there and go through that, bro. This took super long, bro. I thought about closing the trade so many times, but we stayed through. We stuck with it. Let me check this account as well. So now we back. Oh, we made about 1% on this account. Oh, okay. Oh, snap. I didn't even know. See, I don't even be paying attention to, like, I pay attention to it sometimes, but I kind of be focused on trading. I was not expecting. Okay. Wait, am I tripping? Oh, okay, cool. Cause this account was in drawdown a little bit. Okay, good. So we ended the week off good, bro. Profitable week, solid week, man. Kind of like a lackluster week, but we ended the week off good. We caught a few good trades on live this week. We did that shit, bro. We did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and the stream. I've been here for a little longer than I normally would. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short now. I'm gonna get this all clipped up, get it posted. And for those who are in my Discord, I'll see you in the Discord later on today. Like I said, if you got any questions, you can leave a like, comment, subscribe. Just hit me up on Instagram at Trade Futures. or you could join my Discord, whatever works best for you. But that'll really be it. We got a solid trade, so we went short. We went short inside this gap here after seeing price create use this gap as a inversion. We stayed in the lower quadrant. I did say you could have went short here. You could have went short here, but me personally, I don't like doing that. I see it happen multiple times, but I like to stick with this PD array, this fair value gap here. So I waited for a fair value gap to be printed coming from the inversion. As you can see here, then I went short inside here, and I caught. So all we needed, a little piece of the pie. These equal lows. Let me go ahead and screenshot this real quick before I get off. If I don't do it, I'm gonna forget. My stop loss was perfect. It was above this swing high. Almost a 3-hour trade, 4-hour trade. I was trying to go long here at first, so let me actually do this real quick before I close the stream. So yeah, I don't know, this shit was, bro, this was tripping, bro. But caught the move here, there. That's really nice, really nice, really nice. Even though I wanted to close the trade many times, I wanted to close it, but I had held through. And I also want to thank bro who said who said that? I think Owen said it. I think Owen was like, hold on to it, bro, you're doing good. Hey, bro, trading will definitely test your patience. Sitting here looking at the 1 minute candles just like a bot, like a robot, like that does something to you, bro. But like I said, good overall, solid week. Not a bad week. Caught a few trades. I'm gonna look over my mistakes tomorrow, on Saturday. See how I can improve going into next week. But I'm going to wrap it.